Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will see how to fix the disappearing cursor issue on a MacBook Pro. So first of all, press Command plus Q from your keyboard to close the currently opened app or window. Sometimes a frozen or transparent app window can cause the cursor to disappear from the screen. After that, rapidly move your finger back and forth on the trackpad. macOS will temporarily enlarge the cursor to a much bigger size so you can easily spot it again. If the cursor is hidden behind a window or moved off screen, this trick can usually bring it back quickly. If the cursor is still missing, swipe up on the trackpad using 3 or 4 fingers. This will open Mission Control and force your MacBook to refresh and re-render all active windows along with the cursor. Now check if the cursor appears again on the screen. If the issue is still not fixed, you can restart your MacBook using a keyboard shortcut. Press and hold Command plus Control plus the power button or Touch ID sensor together. Keep holding these keys until the screen goes black and your MacBook restarts automatically. Once the MacBook turns back on, the disappearing cursor issue should be fixed, and that's it. This is how you can fix the disappearing cursor issue on a MacBook Pro. I hope this video is helpful for you. For more such videos, subscribe to my channel and thank you for watching.